About how to make a slightly healthier roasted Brussels sprout recipe. You may have read that olive oil can start to denature above 400 degrees, and as it turns out, that is a great temperature to roast things at. So, quick and easy substitution: avocado oil. Not quite as good a flavor as olive oil, but still very healthy fats and has a higher smoke point. So I'm just going to go ahead and drizzle a little of this on. I'm also going to sprinkle with some salt and pepper. I've turned everything over and coated it evenly. And the next step will be to put it on my baking sheet. So I've got my baking sheet on. Personally, I don't like using aluminum foil, even though these are oiled. I still find it'll get some sticking. So I prefer to use parchment paper instead. For those of you who don't like parchment paper because it curls and it doesn't lay flat, here's a real easy trick. Just crumble it up. Then when you open it up, it flattens out a lot easier. So just spread them out single file flat on the pan and put it in a 400-degree oven for about 30 minutes, stopping about halfway through to kind of stir it up. Finished product. They look great. Time to eat. But don't stop at just Brussels sprouts. Why not potatoes? Sweet potatoes, cauliflower. The sky's the limit. So let's take a moment to sum up. How is this healthier? There's a lot of conflicting information out there about the smoke point of olive oil and when it starts to denature and thus lose its health benefits. It could be between 400 to 410 degrees. Your oven temperature could actually vary 5 to 10 degrees from what it says on the display. So, why chance it, I say? Substitute for avocado oil. Still a heart-healthy oil, gives you the same benefits and great roasting flavor, and use it with any vegetable. Tell me how it turns out.